When you hear about the least loyal dogs, you probably think of dogs that don't care about their owners, are not devoted to them, and they do whatever they want, right? We often say dogs are a man's best friend. This video will reveal whether that's true or why. Before I get on with the list, if you're a new visitor to the channel, I invite you to subscribe and support the channel. Traits that make a dog less loyal are excessive friendliness toward others and excessive independence. Now let's take a look at the list of the top 10 least loyal dog breeds in the world. Dog breed number 10, the Norwich Terrier. The Norwich Terrier is one of the smallest terriers in the world. They are remarkably friendly and fun-loving little dogs. Norwich Terriers are intelligent, lovable, energetic, sensitive, and tough. They are active, independent, and above all, very friendly toward other small animals such as mice. Dog breed number 9, the Portuguese Water Dog. Portuguese Water Dogs used to be companions and helpers of fishermen. Today, they are valued pets. Portuguese Water Dogs are intelligent, confrontational, brave, and impulsive. They are remarkably smart dogs that know very well how to manipulate their owners. They can also be reserved and stubborn, so you have to be a smart and stalwart owner. One thing that helps is that they tend to adore their family. Dog breed number 8, the Iberian Hound. The Iberian Hound is a dog breed that excels in hunting rabbits and small game, even today. Iberian Hounds are intelligent, stubborn, independent, fun-loving, and active. Families love them, but they are stubborn, independent, and exceedingly friendly dogs that aren't too devoted to their owners. Dog breed number 7, the Borzoi. The Borzoi is a tall, elegant, and beautiful Russian wolfhound known for its exceptional speed. They used to hunt rabbits, wolves, and weasels in the past. They are also very kind dogs. Why do they find themselves on a list of the least loyal dogs? Borzois are intelligent, elegant, independent, athletic, calm, and gentle. They are independent and intelligent dogs that love thinking for themselves. Their kindness is also one of the things that makes them less loyal. Namely, they trust everyone. Borzois generally trust people and aren't shy. Still, these are owners who love them and care for them. They don't like being on their own. Have you subscribed already? If not, I hope you will, since the best is yet to come. But if you like the video so far, I invite you to share it with others on Twitter, Facebook, and other social networks. Dog breed number 6, the Anatolian Shepherd dog. The Anatolian Shepherd is an agile and impressive looking dog that originated in Turkey. Although they are known to be excellent guard dogs, they find themselves on the list of the least loyal dogs. What's the reason? Anatolian Shepherds are self-confident, intelligent, independent, proud, daring, and calm. Although they guard livestock against predators, they are mostly a stubborn and independent dog breed. While they are easy to train, they usually decide for themselves which commands they want to execute and which ones not. There is one more interesting fact related to their lack of loyalty. They are one of the dog breeds that most often run away from their owners. According to one research study, they run away from their owners 2.13 times a month on average. Anatolian Shepherds are fully independent dogs. Dog breed number 5, the Chow Chow. A little lion Chow Chow is another well-known and more self-sufficient pet. This little dog has some characteristics that make them bad for first-time owners. Which ones? Chow Chows are stubborn, reserved, independent, and quiet. They are stubborn by nature and exceedingly independent. They often have a problem with authority. Chow Chows don't like taking orders from anybody. Only good owners that dedicate a lot of time to their Chow Chow manage to get these lovely little dogs to be obedient pets. Still, their independence makes them less vulnerable to anxiety, which means they have no issue with spending time on their own. Dog breed number 4, the Afghan Hound. Afghan Hounds are incredibly elegant and dignified dogs known for being somewhat challenging to train. Why? Afghan Hounds are dignified, reserved, independent, and happy. They are very independent and have no great desire to please their owners. Often unmotivated to learn, not even treats help a lot when trying to train them. Afghan Hounds are fiercely independent dogs that don't have a great deal of loyalty for their owners. Coming up, you will see the top 3 least loyal dog breeds in the world. Let's take a look. The least loyal dog breed number 3, the Skye Terrier. Skye Terriers are small and attentive dogs very much loved by their owners. Skye Terriers adapt very well to apartment living, they don't drool or shed a lot and don't require much physical activity. Still, they happen to be one of the least loyal dog breeds out there. Why? Skye Terriers are independent, reserved, calm, cheerful and quiet. As with most terriers, they can be extremely stubborn at times. They are not overly friendly toward anyone, so early socialization is vital. You should also commence training at an early age, otherwise you might struggle with a disloyal dog. The least loyal dog breed number 2, the Chinese Shar Pei. Chinese Shar Peis are yet another independent dog breed that likes doing what they want and thinking for themselves. They are not very friendly to most people, owners the world over often refer to them as the least favorite family dogs. Why? Chinese Shar Peis are protective, independent, attentive, devoted and quiet. These dogs can handle being on their own quite well since they are loyal to themselves first. Only an experienced and assertive owner will be able to win their loyalty. It's vital to start working on this from an early age. Otherwise, you'll get a fiercely independent dog that will still protect your family but won't be obedient. And now for the least loyal dog breed in the world. Ready? The least loyal dog breed in the world is the Harrier. The Harrier breed primarily used to hunt rabbits and foxes. They are not too popular these days, but you can still sometimes see them as pets and hunting dogs due to their exceptional sense of smell. Harriers are tolerant, forthcoming, active and cheerful. They love their family and tend to be friendly toward children, other dogs and strangers. Still, they are just not very devoted to their owners and love running away from home. They handle loneliness well and training them is a challenge. All these traits make them the least loyal dog breed in the world. This list showcases 10 of the least loyal dog breeds in the world. These breeds tend to be fiercely independent, disobedient and place too much trust in strangers. The least loyal dogs are often not the best choice of pet for potential owners. Still, they are not necessarily bad dogs. They are simply very independent or too trusting. Why did I single out these particular breeds as the least loyal ones in the world? It isn't easy singling out all of the disloyal dogs. Every breed has its set of characteristics, some of them might be fiercely independent but will still trust one person. Still, no matter which breed we are talking about, dogs are animals that used to live in packs and they stick with good leaders. Inform yourself about the breed, be a good leader and you shouldn't have any problems with keeping your dog loyal. If I failed to mention a particular dog breed or you have a suggestion or some other related information, I invite you to leave us a comment below the video. If you found the video intriguing, I would like to ask you one last time to share the video with your friends on Twitter, Facebook and other social networks. Please also consider subscribing and joining the other animal lovers. Would you like to see more? In the description, I prepared links to the videos of the top 10 most loyal, smartest, deadliest, most aggressive, most beautiful, smallest dog breeds in the world, and many more. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's keep our pets healthy and happy, bye!